Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I am back on Voxlblade with Fuji. Hi Fuji. Thank you. What? No, yes trade. I want to give you... Where is it? Which... Catch the ring? 2? I don't think it works like that. Where is the quest for the Foggy Boys? I'm gonna check with my N sheet. That's a purple alligator. Am I tripping? No, it's not. It is a purple dragon gator. Ah, I killed it. It was already one shot. What is this? Oh, it's a Void Rift for level 32. Ow. So they're all purple. It's a Void Rift. I don't think purple means anything actually. I see another dragon gator though. I hear it. Oh yeah, then we can do the quest, the Void Rift over here together. Because we're totally high enough level, right? It's rugged-dibbly. A dragon gator. I want to murder. Oh, yeah, wait. Actually on top of a rock somewhere, right? Yeah, which one? It's a short one, right? Not like a super tall one. What side of the Dracogator head is it on? Is it on? Oh, is that you with your blue sword and jumping around? Okay, I'm coming. I'm so scared of jumping off with my move speed, bro. This is actually... Oh, man. We're back. Do I want to... I think I want to upgrade this. The serrated blade, I think, is the point. Oh yeah, and then this is where you can get the King Carp armor. Someone are doing the Void Rift over there. Someone are. I'm so good at English. Okay. Dang. Yeah. Yeah. Agreed. What are you, bruh? It just ate me up, and then chewed me up, and then spat me out. It's so fast. Dang. It hurts. -8 physical boost? Oh, and summon boost. I'm not wearing that. I might be dead. Dude, these things are strong. What the heck? You're over towards the root of the Lord Frog dungeon, right? Oh, those are his beats. Okay. Lily Monster Pants. See what this gear does. Water boost, fragrant flash, and 20% water defense. What's fragrant flash do? Dealing water type damage has chance to make you bleed if you were already bleeding. Instead gain a regen. Yeah, I think that's the idea. That's pretty cool. What does Strike Quad do? Inflicts bleed and the debuff wound. Wound causes bleed to gain additional 2 damage. That's my weapon. Yeah, we should. What level do we need to be to do? Oh, there's a rift over here. I'm by the Lord Frog. This Void Rift is level 33. So what's that? What does this attack do? Oh my god. No! Oh. Mage wings are the biggest counter to my weapon because I can't heavy attack. Oh. Yeah, man. This guy just saved my life. And yes, I remember that. I remember, like, the cleric class is literally not even, like, viable unless you're a specific race, aka the one that makes half cooldowns. Because the healing abilities were 60 seconds long or something. And without the high elf class, you couldn't get it down to like 15. I think the lowest you could get it was 30. I believe. Fireball rune. So many quality of lives. So many just fixes. That makes sense. Still no 4th stage in class or 3rd though, I don't think. Like none of the classes are fully finished. Yeah. I died to it like a gator. Yeah. I got the cursed wood handle. And there's a guy over here I gotta deliver a letter for. And then I gotta go do this. What's this? I can't tell what this is because the DPS is over it. Interesting. Collect winter wolf for. I'm back at Bug Town. Fighting a Regigator. I got a Dracogator Amber. Stop. I'm coming. I think. That's not you right there. Big head. That ain't you. Oh, I see the damage numbers now. Hi. Oh my god. Nice. Brilliant dust. A holy substance. Gerlug's letter. Dragongator Ember. Where's this brilliant dust? What do I do with this stuff? I have no idea. Cool. Literally. Can you make it into a gun eventually? That would be cool. I want to find another Dragongator. I feel like the swamp was always the best way to level up once we're done all your quests. Oh, hello! spawned another large. A colossal void rift has appeared in the Megas. Where is it? I wonder if I should upgrade my handle. I'll do it when we come back. Wait, let me see if I have one more upgrade for my blade. Like legendary? Yeah, I have tier 3 blade. Oh, which one should I upgrade though is the question. My brass handle? Yeah, you can't get higher than tier legendary, right? Yellow? Yeah. Okay. But then should I upgrade? What handle should I upgrade though? That's the question. I have no idea yet. I'll look at it later. It's only episode 2. I mean, low-key, this ability is also incredibly strong. I don't know if I like the spinning. The most balanced indecision, for sure. Dude, yeah. It was literally our childhood. This and Rogue. Not so much Rogue, but like for me it was Rogue. Like teenagehood. I think I'm right behind you. I think I'm dying. Because I'm a vampire. What that? Wait, do you hear that? Oh, those are those just explodey dudes. Oh, wait. Yep. I went forwards. Yeah. Where is it even? I lost you, by the way. Oh. Wait. Down in the wilderness? Yeah. I see right there. Into the Megas. Damn. What do we here now, though? I don't know why we're beating the shit out of this guy. I think that is weird. This quest. Amy, hello. Khaki? Yeah, khaki. Khaki. And seek. Where are all the quests? Quest achieved. Any more? Quest achieved. There's another one right there. Okay, let me get this quest right here. Where'd you go? I think it went this way. Oh, you're trying to get to the shrine up here? Oh, to the yeah. And now where'd you go? Okay. But I'm coming. Literally. Oh, here's an explodey guy. Spore boss. That's what those are. Yeah, this weapon is definitely not what I envisioned. I've gotten to my legendary blade though. I'm kind of like, yeah, right. Ow. The disrespect he has dropping that thing on my face. Yay. I mean, that guy also helps us get this Borland quest done, right? There is this Borland quest, isn't there? Oh. Wait. Damn, you two-shot them. Me too, though. It's a mage thing over here? I don't have the heavy attack to deal with your bow! How many more spoilers do I have to kill? What's the mission called? Valid. Sportling Bestiary Bounty. Have you checked your bestiary yet? I'm actually about to do that. Once I finish. Yeah, I'm gonna... What? Wait. Oh, no, I'm so close to finishing my thing. Oh, Spore Boss. You wanna help? Oh, I see. Wait. It's like guaranteed drops, huh? Ooh. Hello. I think I've done my question here. Defeat Bumble, slay a magical enemy, unravel yourself. I'll upgrade my gear. We could go do the rift in the vine lines, probably. What level are you? Oh yeah, you think we can, or should we wait a bit? But, yeah. Yeah. Oh, my guild promoted! Yay! Now the Crockett Gator. Ow, never mind, it's one more than Crockett Gator. Now it's Crockett. Huh? Okay, I'm just lying at this point. Oi! Hello, mama. Ow. Stop doing. And now what? Check. That quest is done. So. $25. Oh, there he is. There's Pip. Do you see him? Okay. Let's see what I gotta do for my Vampire Mission Part 2. Sacrifice XP to the hand 20 times. That just sounds kinda sad, to be honest. Those are rare, huh? I'm pretty sure they've always existed, they've just been rare. Nice. Oh. There's a quest over here. Yeah, bet. What's the hat called? I don't think yes, I got the dirty hat. Equip the Jerry hat with the bunny armor, right? Equipment farmer removes crafting material from mob drops, making it easier to obtain equipment. That's yeah, it's pretty good. I have a full Dracogator set, but I don't know how good it is. Actually, it will be kind of crazy for my build, but I want to do this, right? We have Bishop's Edge, Lead Potency. Facts. Yeah. I'm coming. I'm gonna get this horse over here though first. Where is this guy at? There he is. Yeah, sure. You want me to make you a poison? Nice, right? Okay. Where are you going? You're going to the desert? So you went to the forest? Should I even recall? Low key. Yeah, I'll do it. Wait, don't cancel my... Put it on a cooldown. Oh, it's not a long cooldown. It used to be 12 hours. But... I swear, it was long. Maybe I was just an impatient little whiny bitch. Little baby. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm replying to you. Oh, true. Yeah. Oh, hello. Oh. Corrupt Dire Bunny. What's that thing do? Is there another one? Or is that just a normal? We gotta go this way, don't we? Okay. I'll just get a head start, I guess. Oh, okay, yeah, let's do that one first. I don't know where that one is. I have not explored the cloud place, like, much at all. I'm gonna wait for you by the first quest, guy. Wait, are you coming up here? What is that thing? That thing looks shit. It's like a floating whale. Air whale. I have no idea where to go. I'm lost. Are you coming back to where I was? Oh. Okay, okay. I gotta get to land. Well, guys, that's gonna be it for episode 2 of Voxlblade. I'm gonna wait for Freezy to get to me, and I'm gonna go run some errands really quickly, and we'll be back for episode 3 in, well, a couple days. Bye bye.